Okay, welcome back. Let us do this. Okay, potion, here we go. I'm gonna try and go for an hour. And I believe we could still only record 10 minutes at a time for YouTube, so let's do this. Okay. We tried to remove an entire config value, and we saw we couldn't. Needs the specific key as well. Duplicates. Key value store like Python dictionary, you aren't allowed to have duplicate keys. Strangely enough, Git doesn't care. Yeah, I'm not going to be talking. I'm going to be reading in my own mind. Hey, let's set some CEOs. Who do we want added? Warren, Carson, and Sarah. Let's look at the cursed config list. We have multiple CEOs. Remove all the CEOs from Weblix configuration at once. So that would be git config unset all. Come on. From Weblix. Do I need the .ceo? Mm-hmm. Okay, lesson 1 completed, and I should have activated this quest. The root of the Webflix directory, which we are in. Locations. There are several locations where Git can be configured. Let's see git config, home.git config, git config, or in worktree. started raining. Let's see if this bleeds through the mic. I think it will. Overriding. If you set a config in a specific location, override the same config. General location. Close some windows. Keep one open because it's pretty hot. In a specific location, provide the same config in a more general location. If you set username in the local, it will override username in the global. Line at global level, username TJ at local level. When getting that repo, which value will Git actually use? TJ? Okay. Locations, so several locations. Right, next chapter, branching. Git branch. A new branch called color scheme and work on that branch. When you're done, if you like the changes, you can merge color scheme back into the master branch. Okay. Like the changes, you can simply delete color scheme and go back to master branch. Under the hood, a branch is just a named pointer to a specific commit. When you create a branch, you are creating a new pointer to a specific commit. Commit to that branch. Commit that the branch points to is called the tip of the branch. Just the tip. Okay, anyway. These are commits. Branch tips are the last ones, right? Because a branch is just a pointer to a commit, they're lightweight and cheap resource-wise to create. When you create 10 branches, you're not creating 10 copies of your project on your hard drive. Okay. We're in the master branch. Okay, what's the tip here? We are. Yahoo. We've been using Git's default master branch. Interestingly, GitHub, a website where you can remotely store Git projects, recently changed its branch from master to main. Okay, good to know. Recommend using main as your default branch if you work primarily with GitHub, as we will. Let's rename a branch. So change your global Git config to use main. Okay, this we have done. Config keys are case sensitive. Case insensitive, so this would be the same. This is probably whitelisted as that git branch, still master. All you did was change the default branch for new repos. To make this repo, use main, rename master branch to main. How we do that? Git branch. Say git branch. It's now named main. Okay. Mhm. Yeah, that's not good. I think I set the local one then, not the global one. Okay, this looks better. Yep. Okay. Maybe that's what they would have discussed in the tip section. Yeah, and we can see this is a like 6 difficulty. Maybe people were forgetting to do that. Yeah. See, people were probably just changing the local instead of the global one. Anyways, those are some lessons solved.